making asparagus, and I'm going to jump right in like usual. My pan is already heated at this point. You'll notice I haven't added any oil or butter to the pan at this point. I want to let my asparagus get the chance to be crisp, so I just want it to naturally heat in the fire in my pan. And at this point, you'll see now that I let that toast, if you will, for about 2 minutes. And you can see also the back of the pan there where it starts to look like that darkness going on. I added the oil there, and I'm literally just going to keep on moving this around in the pan by shaking it. I'm then going to go ahead and put in some fresh ground pepper and some pink Himalayan sea salt here. And again, I am just going to move this around, shaking it in my pan for maybe another minute. And after that minute or so, I'm going to go ahead and add in some butter, like so here. And after the butter, I will go ahead and put in like a half a teaspoon there of garlic. And at this point, my asparagus is cooked to my liking. If you want yours to be really soft, then you go ahead and cook it longer. But I just want mine to be a little brown and to still be crunchy. So I'm at this point really just kind of shaking it through this garlic butter, and my asparagus is all cooked. And I'm just going to go ahead and take this out, remove it, put it on my plate, and enjoy it. I hope you guys do the same. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for stopping. Bye.